To set up a landing page for your Mighty Network, head to the gear icon, Marketing, and Landing Pages. Depending on what plan you are on with us, you will either see one landing page or multiple landing pages. This Mighty Network here is on our growth plan, so we have up to 3 landing pages that we can have. I'm going to show you what it looks like to create one from scratch. So I'm going to click New Page here, and you'll see that we have suggested content blocks here, or what we call sections. You can click into any of these and edit them. You can toggle off particular content blocks inside of here, or edit any of the text or images as well. So you can play around with adding things in or changing them to your own particular network. And you can also replace images as well, or change positions of particular media. I'm going to show you the sections that you have access to. So if you go ahead and click this plus icon here, you can create a heading, which is a standard heading option, a centered heading, media with text, a full width heading, media, which is just adding a photo or a video. So if you had a primary network video all about your Mighty Network, this would be a good one to choose. There's story blocks where you can have a circular image next to some text, double story blocks, a feature list. So this would be great if you had certain things inside of your community that you wanted to let people know about, a benefits list, reasons for joining the Mighty Network, FAQs, if you had particular questions and answers you wanted to put on your landing page, download the app. We highly recommend using this one so that members could download your app. A plan carousel, so it's displaying your visible plans. So when you create plans inside of your Mighty Network and you choose to add them to your landing page, this would be a good way to show a number of plans. And if you just have one plan that you want to show on your landing page, maybe you have a plan to get into the network and it's just a singular plan, so you would choose that option as well. So lots of things that you can do as far as these sections go. You can also reorder them. So if you wanted to reorder your existing sections, maybe you wanted to put download the app a little bit higher, you can do that here. And then you can also duplicate sections. So say, for example, you really liked this section here and you wanted to have another one, you could do that easily by clicking duplicate as well. If you want to get rid of any particular section, you can just select the trash icon here, which will delete it. Additionally, you also have page settings as well. So this is for Mighty Networks that have multiple landing pages. Say, for example, I had a course that I wanted to promote with its own landing page. I might say 30-day hiking guide here. And then I could even customize the URL. So I could say landing 30-day guide if I wanted to have a particular URL path. Or I can also set it as my primary landing page. So this would be when I invite to the network or share my landing page with folks. This is the main landing page for my network versus my course, which I maybe just want to share via URL. You can also add in SEO information, so a page title or descriptions, and upload the image here. This is so search engines are able to find your landing page and optimize it for those that are searching online. I'm just going to go ahead and click save there. When I'm all ready to go, I'm going to go ahead and publish it. But before that, I actually do want to mention that you can preview what it looks like on mobile as well as desktop. I'm going to go ahead and publish it. And then I'm dropped into this page here. This is the page where you can manage all of your landing pages. And if I click into the 3-dot menu here, I can go back in to edit this page. I can manage the page settings from here, preview the page, copy landing page URL. That's if I want to invite people directly to it, or duplicate it as a new draft or unpublish it as well. You can also choose not to have a landing page for your Mighty Network. They will just see a simplified experience for joining instead, but we highly recommend that you set one up and customize the front door to your Mighty Network.